Ooh, whoa. All right, so, okay, let me check. All right, so what is good, everyone? Today is about reflection and yeah, not a whole lot happened this week.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Hey, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
All right, so this week you know what I might do? And maybe this is because I'm starting to get bored, but I might do a week or a video where I like go out and visit different coffee shops like every day for like the whole entire week and just see how that feels. I went to 2 coffee shops this week. The first visit was super success. I want to say that. You have to check the last vlog. It was a quite interesting experience. I went again today. It was pretty good. I think I was a little bit frustrated with just what I was working with. So I decided to come home and I read just like a lot of picture books just to kind of inspire me, right? So I have this idea about what I want to write about next, and I'm just trying to figure out how to like structure it a little bit, and I'm struggling with that. So came home and read some books. Still don't really have a structure, but I'm not gonna let it bother me. Other than that, I'm excited for the weekend. Don't have a lot of plans, but hanging out with my wife. She goes back to school next week. Yeah, that's kind of it. What else did I do? Bought a pair of shoes. They're nice. Let me show you. Be right back. All right, I am a big shoe guy. Well, I shouldn't say I'm a big shoe guy, but I really do like shoes. And this is my first pair of Dunks, and I might be obsessed already. But these are so nice. They are so nice. I got them from Cop Garden. It's just really amazing store in the Philippines, but good gosh, I'm excited, really excited. But other than that, my week is pretty slow. Did a little bit of writing, but a lot of reading. Next week, I'm gonna really try and figure out the structure for this book, and hopefully I get some edits back for my second book of the contract, okay? Hopefully you're doing well out there. Stay blessed, stay safe. For anyone watching, thank you. I appreciate you so much. This journey has been really fun, trying to, again, just track my year out of the classroom. So it'd be exciting to go back and see what that looks like in a year's time, 2 years time, whatever the case may be. So other than that, again, stay blessed, stay safe. See you next time. Peace.